Today is a requested video tutorial. I have been requested to make very simple coffee recipes, this time using a French press, very easy equipment to find, and also using only fresh milk, and of course our coffee. 100% Arabica single origin coffee, courtesy of Arabia Coffee Roasters in northern Thailand. Because we are going to use the infusion method, I would suggest that you get the darkest roast or your strongest coffee that you can find. Especially, it's going to be iced and diluted with milk. For the recipe today, I'm going to use 12 ounces cups, the smaller the better, and we are going to make 5 different flavors. First step, boil your water using the kettle. I'm going to brew 1 liter. For this, I'm using a proportion which is 1:10, so 100 grams of my extra coarse ground coffee into my French press. 1 liter of hot water. Now this is a 1 liter French press, so I'm just going to fill it to the bottom of the spout, or just about here. It is smelling really good. And before you put the lid on, give it a good stir. And I am going to steep it for 4 minutes, and the time starts now. Time is up, 4 minutes. So I'm going to push the plunger down to stop the brewing process. The recipes that I'm going to show you today are perfect for home baristas and also for shops that do not have coffee machine. French press is simple enough. I'm going to use the cloth strainer to strain it one more time, just to make sure my coffee is clean, no sediments. So this is now the fully filtered brewed coffee from my French press. I'm just going to put it back in there, and we are going to start making our first drinks. Whilst the coffee is still hot, I'm going to start with mocha, because I am going to use my dark chocolate powder and I need to dissolve it in hot coffee. 4 ounces of brewed coffee from the French press. Add 1 tablespoon of your chocolate powder. I'm going to use the matcha whisk to make sure that the chocolate powder is fully dissolved there. If you use coffee from the French press, because it is not as strong as an espresso or even instant coffee, you need to use more coffee than milk. This is our 16-ounce glass. Pour the coffee over. I'm going to add vanilla to sweeten the drink, because mocha should be a little bit sweet. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons or 10 ml of vanilla syrup. Pour the milk over. Next drink is going to be iced Americano in 12 ounces. What we need with iced Americano is simply just water and the same amount of coffee. Let's go to the next drink. It is iced latte. Brewed coffee from the French press, as you can see, is very clean. There's no sediments there. And then all you need is to pour your fresh milk over. Next drink, it is iced Spanish latte. For this one, I am going to use milk, condensed milk, stir. This time we are going to pour the coffee over. On to our final drink, cappuccino. Because this is cappuccino, we need to make milk foam. So I'm going to use a manual milk frother here. Fill it with cold milk and then pump. If you would like to use your French press to make the milk foam, that is also perfectly fine. Now I'm going to pop this in the fridge to stabilize the foam. I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. This is my brewed coffee, milk. It is looking good as it is, and Now to pour it into our glass. What happens is when you add milk foam to your cappuccino, it makes the drink creamier. So that is another trick. Instead of using condensed milk or very creamy milk, you can use milk foam and it just changes the texture to be more creamy. French press coffee, they are absolutely perfect. They taste good. They just don't look like they are very creamy. So if you're making this for commercial, I would suggest that you kind of like mix and match the milk, but the tastes are absolutely fine. Don't forget to check out my books, The Basic Barista and All Things Milk Tea, the first books that you have to check out before you start your coffee business or milk tea business. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. If you have any requests for my future videos, to let me know, comment below. Click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share the love. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.